What's up, guys? Welcome to another half chub fishing video. Today, Dustin will be picking me up in a few minutes, and we're gonna go grab some minnows for the minnow bucket, and we're gonna do some smallmouth fishing in the creek. See ya. Let's go. All right. Oh, this is muddy as hell.
God, I hate fishing. Fuck. God. God.
Alright, we'll catch some bait.
Go catch the bass candy.
I got three or four crawfish. Couple little guys.
Well, they're good.
And
Maybe this one's too small, but those two are good.
Oh, is that Helgermite?
It's a tiny one. A little dink.
Oh yeah.
There you go, crayfish. Those are like the perfect size ones.
Little baby guy.
It's a little bite size, buddy. It's like a little upper decky.
Buddy's pissed.
Little guy go. He's a little too small.
We need Helgermites, big Helgermites.
Bass candy.
Oh, big Helgermite.
Actually?
Yes,
Yes,
big
sir.
one.
We got that bass candy. Dude.
Big one.
Scum of the earth.
These things hurt like a bitch.
That's the scum of the earth.
For their bass candy. Dude, I don't want to touch these fuckers.
Just grab them real quick and throw them in.
I'm just gonna dump them in.
They're nasty big fellas.
It's October 1st, what, like 80 degrees outside? Yeah, you should have. The boots are ruined. Here, let me give her a few tries. What do you say?
There you go, bud. Every time it's the size of the head, I might send you like a big one. There's two.
Is that a Helgermite?
Oh yeah. Check this out. Got a nice sized crawdad right here.
This is a big ass larva, bro.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Like,
No, look at this
I
one.
thought the one looked like a Helgermite.
That one's giant.
That's like the one I caught over there. Let's see. Shelf they battle.
Oh,
Dude, he
oh
got,
my
he got
God.
him, bro.
Bro,
That's some dinner.
put that crawfish in the bucket. I got a crawfish.
I bet they're everywhere through here. You can flip over here for help.
I got a good sized crawfish
Crayfish.
in the bucket.
What's all the rocks there?
That rock looks.
Where's this one? We need to get both of them.
Got a couple crawfish.
Ducks? There are a good few of crayfish here. We gotta get this rock.
I don't see out in the rocks and we can grab them.
Do this one. Whatever rock looks the biggest.
This minnow bucket's screwed up.
It's on the house. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Still a little bit more in there, but it's on the house. You know what they say. There's a good sized crayfish. There's another one. Dude, that one looks green.
We'll let the other ones go. They're small.
Yeah, true. We already have some small ones in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't really need these ones. There's missing claws.
All right.
You see the claws at the bottom?
Yeah.
They're all it's like a bunch of battle bots, bro. Do you ever cut the claws off whenever you cast them out?
No.
I do that sometimes. So I just take the claws off.
Let me go ahead and cut the camera and I'll see you guys down there. Made it to the juice.
Big ass crawfish up here.
Yeah. I saw one bigger. Gonna try these minnows out. Hey, we're on, bro. We're on. Feels good. Feels pretty good. A little smallie. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. It's a good fish. The minnow might be flat. No, he's still going. Seems like the fish are hanging in the suspended water column here. Hey yo, you got another? Eat some smallie. Then they fight. Just a small guy.
took my minnow, of course, but it's alright. It's another dink.
Dustin's hooked up. Let me grab the net.
Net?
Yeah. He's a good smallie on. There's two of them. There's one next to him too.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
On the ultralight.
Oh, dude.
Just see the one with him. Here,
Oh.
bring him over. Oh yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna take a video of
Look,
him
he's
in the water.
look. All right, let's bring him to shore. Here, grab the net. Just bring him to shore. Big ass crawfish right here.
That is a chunker. Wait, we should feed it to him. You want to feed it to him?
Let's just we'll get this bass off. Good creek smallmouth. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he's big.
Probably about a 2-pounder. One. Bro. Double?
Mine came off.
No way. I'm actually about to catch a fish.
That's a good one. Oh, thank you.
Not a bad smallie. Dustin! Dustin! They're bluegills! This is what was picking at the shit the entire time. Oh. See ya, I guess. They're just smashing that tiny little crawfish. Pretty little creek bluegill.
finished up the creek mission for today. Definitely a success. If this video gets 20 likes, we will do crawfish earrings. 2 of them. Thanks for watching.